This is the story of Thomas Edison. It is a simple story for beginners. I will speak slowly. You can repeat after me. Thomas Edison was a famous American inventor. He was born on February 11, 1847, in Ohio, USA. When Thomas was a child, he was very curious. He always asked many questions. His teachers thought he was slow in school. So his mother taught him at home. She believed he was smart. She just knew he learned in a different way. Thomas loved reading books. He learned science by himself. When he was 12 years old, he sold newspapers on a train. He used the money to buy books and tools. Thomas liked doing small science experiments. Sometimes the experiments were dangerous. But he never stopped learning. As a teenager, Thomas began to lose his hearing. He became almost deaf. But he said being deaf helped him focus. When he grew older, he worked as a telegraph operator. He learned how electricity and machines worked. This job helped him become a great inventor. In 1876, Thomas Edison built a laboratory in New Jersey. It was called Menlo Park. People say it was the first modern research lab. In his lab, he made many important inventions. One of his famous inventions was the phonograph. It was the first machine that could record and play sound. People were amazed when they heard it. Edison also improved the light bulb. He did not invent the first bulb. But he made it better and last longer. He also made a system to bring electricity to homes and streets. This changed the world. Thomas Edison invented more than 1,000 things. He worked very hard every day. He said, "Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% hard work." Edison died on October 18, 1931, at the age of 84. But his inventions are still used today. People remember him as one of the greatest inventors ever. His story teaches us to stay curious. It teaches us to keep learning and never give up. I hope you all enjoyed this story about Thomas Edison. Don't forget to practice English every day. Thanks for listening.